Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 38 of Build the Spitfire. Yeah, just the other side aileron. Checked it all off, got the little pins and the hinges again and the screws, so checked it all off on the inventory, all there. So although it's going to be very similar to 37, we'll get into this build for 38. Okay, yeah, just bringing over these hinges again, very similar as I say from the last issue we had. Now these have got, the only difference is this one's got an 8 on it and the other one's got 7 on it. I don't know if you see those, 8 and 7, and we all had 3 and 4 I think it was, or was it 1? I can't remember. We did it, didn't. Just going to be fitting these into here. We did the last one, the hinge pins, make sure they're right way around, and this one as well. Okay, so the hinge pins are fitted. So bringing over the camouflage paint one again, the upper side, aileron. And yeah, we're going to be fitting into these gaps here, the hinge pins. Now it says number 7 first, and number 7 facing upwards. So the one with the number 7 on it, just fitting that, and the number 7 needs to be pointing upwards. Okay, that's it. And number 8 goes on the outside, I guess. And number 8 fits in that one. Quite difficult to see, but we get the same type of thing. Right, then it says to check fit. This, well, last time I did this it was a bit of a nightmare. Well, not a nightmare, but you check fit it with everything fitted. You double check it that the hinges are the right way round and everything. Check fit it, and when you take it off, it everything comes apart again. I'm going to do it. Okay, so that's, yeah. Going to fit in. Well, that isn't now because that's just popped out, but yes, everything fits nicely. So now, as I say, you have to take it apart, put a bit of super glue in the holes and double check it again, make sure it's all connected, all these are the right way around, etc. The number 7 and the number 8 is visible. That's that. Aileron assembled. And then we're going to bring over the main part of the model and fit these in. Okay, and then the ailerons just go like that, and then fixed in with these screws you get with the issue. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's fitted, and as I shown on the last one, it's a different colour. Yeah, it's a black rather than the cream. Just got that the last one. Okay. Okay, so that was it for issue 38 of the Spitfire. Yeah, just the right hand aileron, fitting that on, assembling it and then fitting it onto the model. complete the ailerons. I haven't got 39 because that's coming in the next subscribers pack, but it says on the back that it's parts to hold the optical fibres for the machine guns in the wings. So we're going to be doing some stuff inside the wings for the machine guns. Okay, so yeah, whenever that comes, I shall upload that and get that completed. Keep an eye out for issue 39. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of Build the Spitfire Mk1A. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-ra for now.